The most critical factors which determine foreign direct investment are a highly skilled and ethical workforce and an effective market that consumes the investors' goods. It is for this reason that the NRM government holds in high esteem the initiatives of entrepreneurs like Reverend Dr. Kabushenga and the various partners that have made this college what it is. The primary motivation for the NRM revolution, which made the Bush War a bearable risk, has always been the dignity of the Ugandan people. From the crippling effects of the colonial period, Uganda entered the post-independence mismanagement of the critical aspects of nationhood. There was an arrest resulting from neglecting the role of cultural institutions. There was the naive exploitation of religious and ethnic conflicts, and this undermined the prospects of a peaceful and prosperous country. When the NRM took over power, it was therefore inevitable that after restoring peace, the development of the education sector at all levels would be among the highest priorities. The universal primary and eventually secondary education were for the first time realized in the history of Uganda, and these have taken Uganda's literacy rates well over 60%, putting Uganda among the leading countries in our region.